हेलो, तुम्हारा बेटा मेरे कब्जे में है।
पापा पापा मुझे बचा लो पापा।
अरे मेरा बेटा प्लीज, मेरे बेटे को छोड़ दो।
10 लाख अभी के अभी ट्रांसफर करो, नहीं तो तुम्हारा बेटा जिंदा नहीं बचेगा।
2 लाख दे सकता हूँ।
ओके, यूपीआई लोगे?
कैश नहीं है।
हाँ,
इस नंबर पर ट्रांसफर करो, जीपे, पेटीएम, फोन पे, कुछ भी चलेगा।
सेंडिंग यू द क्यूआर कोड।
हो गया ट्रांसफर।
अरे पापा किससे बात कर रहे हो?
अरे बेटा इतनी जल्दी छोड़ भी दिया किडनैपर्स ने?
अरे पापा व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट यार? आई वाज इन माय रूम।
There's a new scam in town that's targeting unsuspecting victims. Scammers have devised a scheme where they convince individuals that their loved ones have been kidnapped and demand ransom money. But how exactly do they carry out this deceitful act? By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, scammers can clone the voice of the supposed kidnapped person. Using this cloned voice, they manipulate the victim into hearing a distressing message that appears authentic and urgent. Let's take the example of Guddu, an active user of social media who frequently shares videos online.
Channel to my welcome guys. Subscribe. Whatever.
Exploiting Guddu's videos, the scammers extract audio samples to create a highly realistic AI-generated voice. They then use this voice to deceive Guddu's father into believing that his son has been abducted. The scam's success largely hinges on exploiting the victim's heightened emotions. So, how can we protect ourselves from falling prey to these scams? First and foremost, attempt to establish direct contact with your loved one to confirm their safety. Make an effort to speak directly to the supposed victim. A scammer will struggle to provide real-time responses during a conversation or answer personal questions convincingly. By staying vigilant and taking these precautionary measures, you can safeguard yourself against this manipulative scam and protect your loved ones from unnecessary distress.